What's up, Daniel? What's up, Eric? Oh, what a day, what a day.
So what's going on?
We poured this slab last week, as you know. That's the shop there. We're just going over the house with the electrician, make sure we got everybody's on the same page as far as where the lines need to be stubbed out and for the conduit, for the island, hot tub, and so forth. So that's what we're just going over to make sure the owner had any questions for the electrician. They could go over that. But we're going to do another walkthrough once we get it framed up. We do another, cabinet walkthrough and the electrical walkthrough with the customer. So that's what we're doing out here today. They got to come back out, start putting in the cable, and then, like I said, they'll be back out to run the electrical conduit underneath and for the AC. All the plumbing's been done. So hopefully we'll have it ready for Eric when he gets back on Tuesday. Pour it on Wednesday.
Is that what you have for closets? Or for
Well, that's
all the recess.
anything
all the
recessed.
recessed?
Right.
Okay, so what is that supposed to be a recess? Or
It
that-
can
looks like
be.
that's yeah.
If they got the little marks around them, usually that's not. But
Oh,
it's
okay.
just
Yeah.
a round circle.
Oh,
that's a
okay,
recess.
okay.
Yes, sir. That's right. You're
so
right.
These
Okay.
would be surface mounts. So,
Okay.
So you need to pick up something.
Yeah,
for
something that you want.
Okay, all right, well, I've got it picked out. The water's gonna come in over here, it doesn't matter where we put it.
Yeah, it don't matter because it's going to run overhead, so it don't.
Okay.
I mean, we can
yeah,
run
so
it anywhere.
I'd rather do somewhere. We could do it here, but we got our panel there, so if we can move the panel over, but it's got to have that space. Can you put it there?
Yeah, it could go there. Yeah, that should be plenty of room.
Slab.
Okay, so I'm gonna write water filtration on there.
How you doing? This is Leroy. We're here with Texas Barndominiums at Barndo 194. We just came from Barndo 214, where we went over the electrical with the homeowner, going over the plans, making sure everything was, everything was good to go as far as what we needed to do, what we needed to plumb up conduit-wise and so forth. The last time you were here at this Barndo at 194, we were doing the pennies on the floor, which we already put the 250 down on top of it. We put the epoxy on it. We still need to put the 501 on it once that's come later on towards the end of the build. What they've done since then is drywalled the whole house. It's got the 5/8 with the Monterey texturing. And inside the living room area, it's got 1/2-inch plywood on the walls underneath the 5/8 sheetrock. And that is because the homeowner has a bunch of exotics, animals and stuff that he wants to hang up on the wall, so it'll give him good bracing, anywhere he wants to put any of his trophies. They've also done the rock, the fireplace here. They've done the outside as well. And as far as the mantle for the fireplace, the homeowner wasn't sure what she was going to go with, so we went ahead and did without it. We can drill into it to put her anchors for her mantle, which she kind of has an idea of what she wants, but she wasn't sure the size of it. So we didn't want to set bracing yet on there and then it not work out. So we'll do that when she gets the mantle. Let's go into the shop area so you can see they've put plywood, 5/8 plywood on the walls, 8 foot high. The insulation is going to get painted on the walls above the plywood and on the ceiling, as you can see here. And these trusses are going to get painted. We haven't figured, the customer doesn't know what color yet on the paint colors on those, but the plywood would still stay the same as far as it being raw wood. But what you see insulated will get painted, and the 2 trusses up there. These are the Naughty Alder doors, the interior doors. Actually, interior doors and exterior doors. We're using, if you can see here, and these suckers are pretty heavy, those will be the double doors right there, the glass double doors going out to the back. And these are your basic interior doors here as far as your naughty auto doors. We're waiting on the front door to come in, which we have time. We've got all the trim here ready to go. As far as putting up all the trim, it's going to go with 1x6 naughty alder as baseboard. Your 1x4s for your casing on your doors. These are the cedar boards here. These are going to go on the outside post columns. They're going to get wrapped in cedar, all cedar. There's no rock on them. We got the plumbing here ready for the, as far as the commodes, your faucets and so forth. Let's go look at the outside rock. See how that came out. Okay, this is the outside rock, which is the same as the inside rock, as the fireplace stone, which I think it came out very nice. The customer wasn't sure at first. I sent her some pictures on it, and she wasn't too sure about what you see in pictures is not what you're going to see in person. So it's kind of hard to send customers pictures and them agree to it or not agree to it. And at first she was a little skeptical about it, but she came, she saw it, she liked it. The rock in the fireplace wasn't up yet, but I sent her a picture of that, and she gave me the thumbs up, meaning it was good. So she everything went well as far as the rock is concerned. The next phase is we're going to tile the bathrooms, and that's the next step. And then we'll get cabinets in here. And like I said, we got the trim. The trim will come in right after cabinets, and we'll just keep going from there. And so this one's going pretty good. Well, that's it for this Barndo. And the next time we come back here, we'll show you the cabinets, we'll show you the trim work and all the tile work. And we are. And we are Texas Barndominiums. Do you put this in there too? Because I got a pretty good rhythm going.